Welcome to our guide on replacing a faulty air spring with a new Arnott air spring for a Mercedes-Benz V-Class W639. Proper installation is crucial for optimal performance and safety. Let's get started with the step-by-step instructions. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. First, raise the vehicle and remove the applicable rear wheel. Locate and remove the airline connection at the vehicle's compressor assembly. Then, locate the air spring in the vehicle. Next, remove the air spring by loosening and removing the two screws holding it in place. Disconnect the airline by unscrewing it from the air spring's top mount. Before inserting the existing airline into the new air fitting, remove the airline fitting from the air hose and discard it. To do this, remove the collet and the remaining fitting will slide off the air hose. Inspect the airline for any scratches or deep cuts to avoid possible leaks. Obtain the new Arnott air spring and connect the airline at the top of the air spring. Insert the airline into the fitting and press until it is firmly seated. Pull the airline outward to lock and ensure a secure connection. Reinstall the mounting hardware and tighten to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications. Raise the rear axle or reinstall the tire and lower the vehicle. Ensure the air spring is properly seated before inflating it to avoid any installation issues. Reattach the airline to the compressor assembly. Double-check all connections and fittings to ensure everything is secure and properly installed. Thank you for following our guide on replacing a faulty air spring with a new Arnott air spring. Proper installation ensures safety and performance. If you have any questions, feel free to contact Arnott for assistance.